am still curious if it's actually gonna work well on a trip, because it only has an 85 kilowatt hour battery. So my truck having a 131 kilowatt hour battery, there's a big difference. Now this is more efficient than my truck, so there's maybe a little bit of a trade-off here, but my truck actually does get pretty decent range for a truck on the highway and everything like that. So anyways, I am just really thrilled. I just wanted to get on here again because I was excited that I could just park here and in a parking garage right near downtown, or right in downtown, charge it up for free, eat lunch, get both of our bellies full, get back on the road, and man, this is just awesome.